I'm about to give you a quick 1-minute video on how to get your shit off that long ass loading screen without them dumbass pictures. Alright, this is what you do, man. If your shit's stuck on the loading screen, after a long time you'll actually be in the game. But it'll seem like you're not in the game, but you're in the game. So what you do is pause the game. You'll see the shit pop up at the bottom down there. The game will be paused. You go down forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can't see it, but you know you're doing it. Press X. Go left 1. Or actually, you don't even go left, but I went left. Press X. You save it. You overwrite your progress. Save it. When it's done saving, you just cancel the fucking game when it's done. Then you go back to the motherfucker. And when you go back to the game and you get on your story, this motherfucker should turn on. I wish I was able to record it when I was doing it, but I couldn't record it, but I promise you this will work.